You've seen arborvitaes along a property line or a fence row, and you've decided you need them because your neighbor's fence is ugly, it's like an iron fence that you don't like. Or maybe your neighbor has gone to the effort of painting a fence pink. In this video, I'm going to discuss some of the issues with planting close to a fence. When you plant right up against a fence, the arborvitaes can tend to grow right through it, and then, after a period of time, overtake the fence. Now, you can still plant right next to the fence, but you get a terrible, terrible outcome in the long term. So what I would suggest you do is you plant the spacing away from the fence so that you can maintain the trees. And in this video, I'm going to discuss the proper spacing that we like to use when we plant green giants, emerald greens, Niagaras, or other types of arborvitaes next to a fence so that you don't run into issues of encroachment or the fence being overtaken by your arborvitaes. If you want to be very close to the fence, consider the American pillar. We recommend that be planted 2.5 feet from a fence and the separation between trees as 2.5 feet. These are emerald greens. We like these to be 3 feet from a fence and 3-foot plant separation. These are forever goldie. Plant these 3 feet as well. These are homestrup, and they also are planted 3 foot apart and 3 foot from a fence. These are Niagara arborvitae. They should be planted 4 feet from a fence and 4-foot plant separation. And these are the green giant arborvitae. These should be planted at least 5 to 6 feet from a fence, and plant separation can be from 5 to 8 feet apart. If you have other questions about planting your arborvitaes, you can always call Highland Hill Farm at 215-651-8329 or stop in at our tree farm to see our trees and shrubs. We have lots of trees and shrubs, and we do deliver and plant in Pennsylvania and New Jersey. Again, our phone number is 215-651-8329.